So I got my SureCall Flare cell booster hooked up and working. I wanted to explain a fix that I had to do though. These units seem to have bad cables. They have this cable here that comes around. Sorry, cat, you're gonna need to move. This little pigtail that you're supposed to attach the coax cable that goes to the antenna. So this pigtail's male connector on this end is pretty bad. I've actually gone through two of these wires, or two of these pigtails already, and both of them had the same problem. Is this? It would fail at right here. They would both the ground and the, I don't know what you call it, the ground and the hot would end up just shorting out and make it so that your unit doesn't work. So what I did instead, I just took the bottom off, or took the case apart. You get to it just by, there's two screws underneath these little rubber pads. You need a T10 Torx driver to get it out. And I basically just unplugged this thing and hooked the coax cable going to the antenna directly into, there's a female coax connector in here that I just attached this straight to. This, and I'm basically just using this pigtail as the power. So this actually goes to the circuit board and powers it from the 5 volt. I think, yeah, it's 5 volts DC, so you got a 120 volt to 5 volts DC, 120 volt AC to 5 volts DC adapter there, coming over here, as well as the coax cable that goes to the antenna. So, and so far it's been working out great with that. So just ignore this thing and just hook the coax cable straight into it, and I think you'll probably have less problems.